Hello everyone! Are you ready for our cooking session? Yes! So today I'm so excited because we are going to prepare Matza Lasagna. Yes, usually I prepare lasagna with pasta. I'll show you. This is the kind of pasta that we use. Which shape is this? Can you say that? Yes, it's a rectangle. Very good indeed. But today we're not going to use this because for Pesach we want to use the matza bread. And this is a special one. It's gluten-free. So you can use it if you cannot eat any wheat. But before that, we have to prepare the sauce. The sauce. How can we prepare a tomato sauce? We have to grate or cut some carrots. Do you remember the name in Italian? Carota, very good. Then onion, cipolla, and then we have some delicious garlic, l'aglio, and tomato, pomodoro. I'm going to add some spring onion, and if you can add basil, celery, and other vegetables. But today, because we cannot go out so often, we have this, and I think it's fine. So if you have a lot of tomatoes, you can chop with a children knife, mi raccomando. But if, like me, you don't have so much, you're going to use chopped tomatoes from a tin that is, it's okay, it's not so bad. So usually in Italy we do a soffritto. We saute the garlic with the onion and with the oil. But to make a healthy version, we are going to put everything all together. So let's put carrots. What's the color of the carrots? Orange, very good. We put onion. What's the color of the onion? Yes, it's purple and white, so viola e bianco. Go, go, go. Then we are going to add spring onion, bianco e verde, and then the chopped tomatoes, some fresh, and the other ones will be with the chopped tomatoes in a tin. You go. All together, I'm going to put in this pot, and then you add a little bit of salt, just a little, not too much, and the garlic. For the garlic, we can cut in half. Then we have to use our hands to... did you wash your hands? I did, very carefully. And I sing twice the happy birthday song. Yeah, do you remember? Tanti auguri a te, tanti auguri a te, tanti auguri a tutti, tanti auguri a te. So now the garlic, to let it release the flavor, you have to squeeze a little bit with your palm. Can you see? Now, I can see the smell. I can really smell it. So now I'm going to put inside, big like this, so later I can remove it. Yeah? A nice stir. The lid on, and this goes on the stove. In the meantime that this is going to cook, let's prepare the ingredients. We need mozzarella, we need parmigiano, and we need some besciamella. Now the besciamella I previously prepared yesterday because it's a mix of milk that is in the fridge, latte, and flour and butter. So for the flour, because this recipe wants to be gluten-free, I use rice flour, and I wrote for you the instructions. You can, I have too many things. Here we are. So for the besciamella, we need to use, which number is this? Yes, it's 1. 100 is 100 grams of butter. Look at the first letter. The first letter is B. Can you see B? Like besciamella, yeah? 100 grams of butter. Again, 100 grams of flour. Then, which number is this? Yes, this is 1. 1 liter of milk, latte, and then a little bit of nutmeg. What is the nutmeg? Let's see. The nutmeg is this. So cute. Small. And you have just to grate it. Yeah, you can grate it. Be careful with your little fingers. Don't hurt you. And then with your parents, you can help to add all the ingredients. They put it in the pot, they put it in this on the stove, and they stir until it's creamy. Look, this is our besciamella from yesterday. And now we are going to put the sauce on the stove, and then we are going to prepare our lasagna. See you in a minute. Get ready. Yeah? We are back. Are you ready? We have the music. Can you hear it? So fun. Put it a little bit down. And now, let's start. We are going to prepare our lasagna. We have to put some water in the container where we are going to soak the matza. This is the gluten-free ones, yeah? Remember? We put inside. Then we have to put some, what is this? Besciamella. Remember, you can do it the day before, and then you have to put on the base of the plate where you are going to cook your lasagna. Then you can add a little bit of tomato sauce that you previously prepared, and you are ready. Look, I show you. I put some besciamella, I put some tomato sauce, and then I'm going to put the matza. Oh look, it breaks. Oh la la, but it's fine because I can put back in shape in the plate. Very good. So now I'm going to add another piece, but who can tell me which shape are those? Do they look like a rectangle or a square? I think it's more like a square. Now I have a little piece. I put in the water. It's going to break, but don't worry. You can get the pieces and place them back like a puzzle. Yes, you can do a jigsaw puzzle. Then when you've done this, you have to put a lot of layers on top. Yeah, you put tomato sauce. Which color is the tomato sauce? Yes, it's red. Then you put the besciamella. Besciamella all over around. And which color is the besciamella? Yes, white. Very good. Creamy and white. And then we are going to add some mozzarella cheese. The mozzarella, you can use a children's knife to cut it in slices, yeah, or in little squares, or you can use your hands. So you break it, break, and you put a lot because you want that this, it will be nice and tasty. Your wonderful lasagna. So with this lasagna, you can feed all your family and everybody will be happy to celebrate Pesach together, yeah? So after this, you definitely have to add Parmigiano cheese. You can grate it. Ready? Shall we count? Let's count in Italian. Ready, go. Until 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah? And we have lots of parmigiano because it's so nice. And then we have to put another matzah, one after another. Yeah? After this, after a few layers, you can put it in the oven. Yeah? Can you touch the oven? No, you cannot. But an adult can do it for you. So when it breaks, don't worry, you can make your puzzle, yeah? You can do your jigsaw puzzle. And then you do another one. So tomato sauce. Yeah? Which vegetable did you add at the tomato sauce? Which shape is the container of? Oh, that's it. Say bye-bye music, we don't need you anymore. But later you can put the music on and you can do some workout or some dance. Yes, you can go in the garden if you have it, and you can go for your money run, or you can put the choo-choo on and do all the movements, and you can take a video, put it up online and show us. Yeah? And also, if you enjoy to prepare this wonderful lasagna with mozzarella, with cheese, with besciamella, with tomato sauce, you can show us with who you prepare with, the shape that you use of the plate that you're going to put in the oven. And in my case, I have a rectangle. Yeah? I'm going to use a rectangle shape. And now I'm going to use how much cheese? Lots of cheese, because this is a cheesy, yummy recipe for a very delicious lunch. So now I'm going to finish it, then I upload some picture, and I really want to know if you're cooking like me. I spend my day at home working out, do some research, reading some books, and of course eating. And if I prepare my food, I'm even happier. So, children, parents, everybody, a big kiss from Christina, from Shafar, with lots of love. Tell me if your Matza Lasagna was great like mine. See you soon. Here we are again. I've been inspired by the matzah when I used to make our lasagna. Do you remember we had to soak the matzah in the water, and I saw that the matzah broke. Of course, we didn't have any problem because we put that back with the sauce and besciamella in the oven. So in a minute we are going to have a lovely lunch. But what about if we do some experiments? I want to challenge yourself to looking for some objects that you can try to put in the water. I have 3 containers full of water, and I chose some silicone container for the muffin, plastic lids, an apple, egg, garlic, the nutmeg, some paper where I wrote the numbers. So what about if we challenge ourselves to see if we know if these things are going to sink? Can you say that? Sink. Which letter is this? Yes, S, S, S. S like sissy, S like sun, S like... Can you tell me words that start with the letter S? Then we have float. Are these objects going to float? Float, it means that they are on the surface like a lovely boat. F, 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 like Franklin, F like future, F, F, F like feather. Shall we try with the feather at the first? Let's see. The feather is, do you think is heavy or light? Yes, it's light. Let's put in the water. Definitely, the feather is floating. What about an egg? If I put the egg in the water, I can see, let's be very careful, we don't want to break it. Oh, the egg is at the bottom, the very bottom. So you have to be careful. If your egg floats, it means that it's not fresh anymore, because inside the eggshell he produced a bubble of air, and it means that it's better not eating it. So now, please challenge yourself, go around the house looking for some objects like stones, fruit, vegetables, wherever you want, to see if they float or sink. Yeah? Enjoy your activity. Bye from Christina from Shofar. We love you. Stay home, stay safe.